this picketing from the 30th will be because it's unnecessary because fallout from Peduase, abansi will be easy. COVID-19 restrictions.
That's right.
On chairman in Brazil, why the picketing?
Who say you're necessary? Then the man was doing will say, "Obiti se sebi okuje to ablakwa." Me aminu ya Kwame Abuja. Or your MP prekope.
Yeah.
And impenfo e kan ho no omunim sa ade enye no obi to anamo a ombeye. I mean, let's credit them with some modicum of we say as MPs. Frontier Health Services. So omo airport ho na omo ye test no meboa. A Nigerian company. No omo ye PCR test. Ema akwantufo a air call ni eba meboa. In most of the countries around the world, they have relaxed these issues relative to test here or more. For bar, I want you a woman and $2 in a day to sign a mono. Sometimes a joke and son a Jawa Mawaba, a Zembibri. Nancy Australia, or my review of COVID-19 protocols on various airports for inbound Nefrata air coding.
What you are saying is
the point I'm making is
necessary.
Yeah, necessary. Sadia then can you say back because
you join you.
Oh, may join you.
Thank you.
Buy no. $160 million.
But I say
every month I know you.
First of all, Frontier Health is a Nigerian company.
Okay, thank you.
It's a wholly owned Ghanaian company. Maybe the investors or the shareholders maybe have some Nigerian connection, but it is a wholly. Just take your time. Let's see about boss here. You know, what's it? There's a limited liability company, but now you are talking about say Nigeria. It's a wholly owned. The million more year. Why don't you say politics? No, who could you do the head? He like this populism.
That's not fair. You see,
but of course, no,
cabinet retreat. Yeah. Cabinet retreat by no say there be easy restrictions, including the million. They anticipate say this is what is going to happen. It's say abai na banka so ye from and then you go Picket here. I mean, we all know this kind of
of course, the Ghana Black Stars. Yeah, they sorry so. Boba 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 yeah boba yeah boba yeah boba 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 yeah boba yeah I want callers, to come and dance on me. To come and dance on me. I want damn blues, to come and dance on me. Well, I'm saying for you, better was very. I don't begin Mpensenpensemu. Me didn't question Asante. I'm in fast that my bigger for me. Today, Omanhene, Kwabena, Asante. Cheers to victory. Ghana Black Star definitely will win. Good morning. Enjoy your day.